So the verdict is in. Former coach Robert Samuels has been found not guilty of mashing up the Jamaica Scorpions. And the findings of the court is that the problems of the Jamaica Scorpions are bigger than Robert Samuels and bigger than coaching. Seriously though, I have always maintained that coaching is overrated in cricket, especially at the senior and international levels. In the formative years, when players are learning the basics of the game, yes, coaching is vital. But in top-level big man cricket, coaching is highly overrated. Right now, Robert Samuels must be celebrating his acquittal with his family and saying, I told you so. And the man is right. The Scorpion squad is filled with experienced players, men who play Test and A-team cricket. What Robert Hayes, or Robert Samuels for that matter, going to tell a senior batsman who consistently choose to play T20 shots in 4-day cricket? These big professional players need a coach to remind them that it's two different formats of the game. Or to shout from the dressing room to the bowlers, say, yo, O'Shane, leverage, una ball too sharp, pitch up the ball. Joking. Let me say this again. Cricket is the most uniquely individualistic of sports. You bat alone, you bowl alone, and you feel alone. And at the senior level, coaching makes very little, if any, difference. Ask Robert. Mr. Ask Robert. Which one? Ask the 20. Ask Robert. Ask them.